can say the thing. You can say words. I really.
Oh. It's
Really? Boyfriend being a dick?
I had to.
He turned the volume on the TV all the way up for that. To like
intentionally.
100%.
So it's it started?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's already filming.
So this is Jess's happy birthday unboxing. I promised Jess that we would do an unboxing for her and a full dump of all the little things I gather throughout the year.
She's insisted.
Yes. So this is from me and my husband, Al. Happy birthday! And has a battery, because she's a
And
bat.
avocados, because I'm a vegetarian.
And they're delicious and cute.
And you just like avocados.
Yeah. They're adorable. And my tape matches.
Yeah. Matching tape. Alright.
It's the only tape I could find.
Get into this then. I can do an introduction later.
Wait.
I don't want to do an introduction right now. It's been so long since I've been on camera. Because I'm taking a hiatus.
Yeah, the tape comes off really easily. Is that? It's your crown. Anyway, it's just striking against the hair.
Yeah, green and purple.
Wait. There's more. There's more.
You did. I'm not good at unboxing.
It's alright.
Gosh. We got more Pikachu pens!
Yeah.
These were the ones that you gave, name?
John.
Yeah, that guy. So we got some name?
It has two colors and they're controlled by the ears.
Oh my gosh.
And there's two different faces. So one is like happy Pikachu and the other is mad. Mad.
My nerd game. Woo! Oh, this is gonna go on the corkboard for sure. This is totally gonna go on the corkboard. Now I'm gonna have to do a video of when we create that room. He's like, I'm not here. I don't know what you're talking about.
Ignored. Yeah, everything's packaged in like
Little pooch. This is cute, actually. This is toiletries. Is this the thing you told me not to? No, this isn't the thing. This is a pill case.
yeah.
This is so much cuter than my macaroons.
Isn't it? And it's waterproof.
And it's like several days, and not just.
Yes.
So this is a panda pill case, and it's waterproof.
And he's eating a pill.
This is great.
Happily.
This is great. This is fantastic. I love it. Oh, that's so cute.
Keep going. There's more. Oh, wait. There's more.
Oh my god, everything is wrapped in avocado paper, and it's
Not
amazing.
everything. Not everything. There's most everything. Everything you can see.
I
But if
love
you
that.
open something and there's more wrapped things inside, don't be surprised.
Oh boy, this is gonna be.
I didn't do a Russian doll on you. I just was trying
Damn
to
it.
save space.
Oh, it's a bear tape measure.
Space saving.
Oh, it's so cute.
Isn't that adorable?
Yeah, it's a sewing tape measure.
Mm-hmm.
I always need more tape measures.
I believe it's only in
constantly-
centimeters though. Just
Yeah, that's fine. I know conversions at this point. This is so cute. This is perfect. And then you can like hang this up instead of like having to lose it because it's got a little chain on it. I always lose mine because cats usually steal them.
I got a pink one for me.
Twinning.
It's just some of this other stuff.
See them. Right. Ooh, cat socks. Oh, they're so cute. I love that everything has Japanese writing on it. Like, you went ham when you went to LA, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
It's hard too. I love little things. The little details are what make me a person. this is a little cute container. Ooh, you're a cutie. Is this a ring?
Mm-hmm.
Or okay, because I've seen ones that are like the little ear thing. Where are you gonna fit? Where are you gonna fit? Other hand, maybe. This finger.
Yeah, you can loosen it.
It's a pinky ring. I have chubby fingers.
You can loosen
There
it
we
just
go.
by spreading the wings.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Sorry.
Did you just propose to me?
Will you be my bestie friend forever?
Yes, I will.
Wow! You get to make a panda?
Yeah.
So it's a panda wool felt kit.
Yep, it comes out.
And you make a panda reading a little book. It comes with everything you need. And it looks like it's in both English and Japanese, so I will...
Well, it doesn't come with this stuff. That's the stuff you need other than this stuff. But it comes with the needle and the wool and the eyes and everything.
Okay, so it comes with all the materials you need, but
But
it
you
doesn't
need the
come with the
tools.
tools.
Yeah,
So
so
there's
you
a
need
list
the
of tools you need underneath that you...
But like scissors and pliers and.
I mean, I
in general.
probably have most
Looks like
of those
glue.
things. Yeah.
Yeah, glue, a ruler. And I think I got an owl. That is an owl.
That's probably the only thing I'll need to buy.
A stabby thing.
Yeah.
They're cheap. They're only keep them.
Yeah. I can get those if I don't have them, but I
Stabby
probably have
thing.
most of them.
Just say it, say it.
The same place I got the pink sparkle duct tape.
Suicide Squad. The Joker. I don't even know if this is gonna fit, but I'm gonna make it fit.
We can try.
I'm gonna...
Oh, it should fit. It's cut to fit. So it goes up to 48 inches, which is huge.
There we go.
That would literally fit around my hips.
I don't know. I'm
The
pretty...
low, like on the widest point.
I'm pretty hippie, but I am planning on going ham this year, so
It'll
hopefully
fit.
It'll fit. Actually,
It will. I will guarantee that this will fit. This doesn't fit.
And I'm just too big.
No, if it doesn't fit, then I lose the bet. That's,
Yeah. Well, you know, it would actually be pretty fitting for the Harley Quinn cosplay that's coming up in the future. So, and that's what you were thinking when you got it, weren't you?
No, it was just a premonition. I'm just that good.
I do wear, like, I do have this Suicide Joker t-shirt that I got on clearance, so I wear that a lot, so people are like, oh, you love the Joker. I was like, actually, it was on clearance. I mean, Joker's kind of a dick, but, you know, like, I don't mind the Suicide Squad version of Joker, because he's not, like, the, like, comic Joker. Comic book Joker is just such an ass. But, like, Suicide Squad Joker actually is kind of nice, at least to Harley Quinn, and that's what matters to me. You know, if you cause chaos in the rest of the world, that's fine. The world kind of deserves it. I mean...
True, but you shouldn't abuse your partner.
No.
That's where we're getting with this.
Yeah. Be nice to the people that love you. Oh, I want to eat these right now, I won't even lie.
They look delicious. I've been staring at them for a little while.
Well, they're cute and they're tasty.
matcha. Yeah.
They're matcha sakura,
Yeah.
so like strawberry.
Cherry.
Cherry.
Yeah. And they're just adorable in general.
And they seem to taste good.
Yeah. I'm bringing a box to Anime Boston.
You're like, that's my cheat.
I have a bunch of cheese. I've pretty much grabbed all the Pocky, the macaroons I've been saving for a couple weeks, like coconut macaroons. Don't worry, they have a shelf life of like 3 years. Let's see, what else? Chocolate, I have matcha Pocky, strawberry Pocky, and...
This was the thing you told me to forget about that
Yes,
I saw
forget that
on
you've ever
Instagram.
seen it.
Correction tape. It's a mummy.
It's a correction tape mummy. And it's coffin shaped, the package, and it was just too perfect to not get it.
Fantastic. I wonder if it's refillable. If you like get more correction tape, if you can keep it. Like
It might
putting
be.
more into it.
It might be. It looks like it comes apart here at the seam, so I would guess you can open that and just put another.
Well, I make a lot of mistakes, so this is great.
Correct.
It's so cute. Oh, I cannot wait to get my desk set up. Yeah, I was like, she posted that on Instagram when she was in LA, and I was just like, oh, it's so cute. And she's like, forget you saw anything. I was like, okay.
I did. It will reappear again.
I mean, like, I forgot about it until now, so I guess that worked.
That's not what it says it is.
Magic disc.
Yeah.
It's not a fast wireless charger.
It's not.
Damn it. Oh boy, I don't know if I can show some of these.
Oh, you can totally show it. You can totally show it. And then I have my headphones here, so I can show you how it works.
How this works?
Open it. Open it. Yeah. Here. I'll open it.
Oh
So-
my god, I think I know what you're gonna do.
This is a keychain, and then you take.
Look at my boyfriend for a second. Look at his face.
And it's got little grooves.
You get to tie him up.
And you tie him up.
Mommy, I can't. I love how,
Oh my gosh.
I love how obviously things are up now. He's
Yeah,
just like,
and you
don't-
wrap.
Don't get any ideas.
Oh, there we go. You wrap your headphones, and that's kind of amazing.
You just tied yourself up a bishy. I'm really glad my channel is flagged as 18 plus right now.
I mean, he's fully clothed. Fully clothed.
The nipple's big.
He's
otherwise.
just.
He's fucking cute though.
He is adorable. And he looks like the little, like, devilish bad boy. He's a brat.
Yeah. He's like, oh, he's wearing ladies' panties.
Is he?
Yeah. There's a little bow.
Oh, there is a little
They're
bow. Look at
lacy.
you to notice that.
I take notice to the important details.
I did not notice the lacy panties.
He's the kind of boy who would be like, please be mean to me.
Yeah.
I might have to find one of these for one of my friends.
I'll point you in the direction of the artist. There is an artist who made these.
Oh,
yeah,
that's
it was a
fantastic.
Kickstarter. That one's from a Kickstarter.
Oh,
And they were
I
fantastic. And I have one too, but it's a different character. Because I couldn't resist.
This actually looks like the friend I want to buy it for because she has like short boy cut pink hair. Like she transitions from blonde to pink. So if she's watching this, she knows exactly who she is. She might get that. I might buy one for her because I miss her. People being like, oh, look at the thing. And I'm just like, oh, I can't afford it. It's like $50. So now I have it. Yes!
Except when they have a Black Friday sale at Thanksgiving.
Oh. I see what you did.
You should know that I do this all year round. I shop sales and clearance, and I stock up. I hoard gifts. If I was a dragon, I would be a gift hoarding and
It's
giving.
true. You would
dragon.
be the dragon sitting on the golden jewels.
And then
pile.
giving them away, but only to people I like.
Yeah. You would just be like, oh, you're
This-
part of my hoard now.
This jewel reminded me of you. It glimmers like your eyes. You go. Kristen has a dragon.
You would be a pink sparkly dragon.
It's true. She's not mine.
No, I mean, come on.
Like my new shoes. I would match my
It
shoes.
doesn't take a lot of effort to see this. Pink sparkly dragon, adorable, fluffy tail, and like little fluffy pink tufts on the wings and ears.
Yeah.
That is fantastic. This is my new travel case for my makeup
I
now.
told you there was a big ticket item in there.
This is a big ticket item. This is a fantastic item. And it's so useful. This has been so much fun.
And now we have lots of avocado paper, which was so cute.
Yeah.
I had donut paper too, but I wanted to do it all in the avocados because
That's fair. It's like springtime, so
Yes.
avocados.
I've also just been on an avocado kick.
Why are you crying? Baby, why are you crying?
Freya!
Meow.
She's walking around talking to herself.
Yay! Thank you for hanging out with us and being a part of this. And if you stuck with me this long, also thank you for that. And my long ass hiatus that's been happening because I am swamped with work and school.
It's like,
And I will be back with more videos in the future, so if you check out anything in the description, that would be very helpful to help me have more time and finances to create said videos. And we'll see you very soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you all so much. Bye!
bye!